Samtastic Fishing Adventures was made for entertainment purposes only. Viewer discretion is advised.
I'm gonna stop here first because I'm just kind of curious to see how this lure is gonna act. I haven't used it in a long time, so I want to see if it's something I can fish at the other spot. Some nice shell crackers and stuff down there. Ew, dude, look at that. It's already skinned and everything. Oh, look, a baby peacock, dude. Dang, sweet. Awesome, check that out. I think that's a, I forgot what kind that is. Awesome. I like using the minnow because there is a chance to get on those peacocks. I've caught peacocks on flies before that mimic like grasshoppers and stuff, but I don't know if they will actually. I've never caught one on a hellgrammite before, so I'm not 100% sure if they'll hit a hellgrammite. I know these shell crackers, bluegill and sunfish and all them, even bass, they'll hit a hellgrammite, but I don't know about a peacock bass. The peacock bass main food source is fish, so. Okay, guys, there's two big peacocks down there. Oh my gosh, let's see if I can get one. That would be pretty awesome. What was that? Here across the bridge opening. What is that? Is that a bass or? What is that? Oh, it's a bass. Ugh. bridge bass. Awesome, sweet. Little skinny, but hey, a fish is a fish. I'm gonna throw them over here. Give these little bluegill a little scare. Cool. It wasn't there, so I'll try it over here. Something definitely shot out, try to get it. Oh, it's pretty. Oh, hooked up a piece of grass. Pretty deep down there. There we go, little peacock, guys. Nice. Look at that. This one's way fatter than the other one. Hey, 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 I want to look at you. Out, you bastard. Let me see you. Okay. Fat, this one. Two peacock. Oh, he tore up my minnow too. Dang, dude, I don't think I have a whole lot of those minnows. There's something. What is this? Ah, it's a bass. Little guy, but this one's a lot healthier than that bigger one I caught. Oh dang, he came out. Oh look, that was a baby peacock, dude. There's something. Oh, a little bass. Oh, he spit it. Dang it. Right there, right next to the shore. I saw him. He was like, he saw the minnow come by. Oh, I kind of don't want to reach my hand down there. He was chilling right at the edge right there. And I saw him looking for the minnow. Look how skinny he is, man. Dang. I just kind of rolled it past him. Perfect 10, that dive. Got those little frog polywogs too that work pretty good. There's one. Little bass. Perfect hook set too. I don't care what size bass you have, if its teeth can rub on the line, don't break that line. Yeah, that's a good spot right here. There's all kinds of like little holes and stuff throughout this hydrilla. Where fish are sitting. Oh man. You get it? Yep. Little guy, what is it? Little bass. Oh, little peacock. What? Check that out, man. That's 3 peacock I caught today. Beautiful. Perfect for fish tank or a pond. Later, dude. Oh. Poison ivy. Yep. Right choice bringing ultralite today. Otherwise probably would have got skunked again. Oh, I just had a hit. Dadgummit. You hit it? Oh. Dropped it. Yeah, I was gonna put a heavier weight, but it's way more natural the weight it's on here. So not only is it falling at the proper rate, but when a fish grabs it, it doesn't feel unnatural. There's one. What is this? Cobberness. Nice. Beautiful. Swimming towards me. There we go. All right, little bass. Healthy compared to the ones at the bridge. Oh. There's one. Little guy. Oh, I spit it too. Son of a gun. That was kind of lame. There's something. Over. Yeah. Bass. Man, they're pretty healthy in here. The perfect hook set. Cool. Oh man, yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, he's still there. Let's see. Dang, dude. There we go. What is that? Little bass, I think. Yep, little guy. Oh no. Another freaking peacock, man. Check that out. Beautiful. Healthy too, man. They look delicious. Cool. Look at that. What is that? Another peacock, dude. Look. Daggum, bro. Man, I'm gonna have to get my mom's pond set up.